nigga life without asking. I be stealing people. I can fuck a big sister raw, bet she still eat it. I got an OK longer than little people. This pint of red to turn brown on me, I'm still gon' drink it. You can't be saying ghetto boys if you ain't right peasy. I'm finna go on liver noise and serve these white people. By myself in a 550, I don't like people. I'ma pop you if you try me, I just told you I don't fight people. If the pussy smell good, then I might eat it. Hurry up and grab this pint from me, bro, I might drink it. Finna buy a 42 dweller and let Mike keep it. Hit your block with a K with the scope, call it sightseeing. I don't think I'm from this planet, I'm an astronaut. I throw my whole career away, bro, pass the Glock. If you see me with Lou, I was probably grabbing one deuce in a 20-ounce Sprite and pour out half the pop. I was just posted on Fenton with a bag of rocks. Now I wake up in the morning bored, I might go grab a water. A-Rab who pay the high for these, you don't have to show. You can still die, nigga, I don't care how many straps you got. I just made a lot of money, then I got bored, and no, I'm not rich yet, but I'm not poor. Stop talking about you sliding in them sons, you did not score. 5 niggas tried to jump on me, I shot 4. Then I had to whip the other nigga ass. 80 racks just on grass, you move another